Are you working in Saudi Arabia and want to bring your family on permanent family visa or residence visa? In this video, I will explain the complete Isteqdam process step by step, including yellow slip, medical and visa stamping in the easiest way. Watch this video till the end so you don't make any mistake during the process. In this video, I will explain the complete step-by-step process. Many people get confused about the Isteqdam process, required documents and medical procedure. So in this video, I will explain everything in a simple and clear way. Step number 1, check your eligibility. First, you need to check if your profession is eligible for a family visa. Some professions can apply online through Absher portal without visiting the Isteqdam office. These professionals include engineers, doctors, geologists, company hired staff, other professions approved by Saudi government. If your application is accepted online through Absher, you don't need to visit the Isteqdam office. However, if the application is rejected online, then you must book an appointment with the Isteqdam office through Absher and visit them personally. Step number 2. Prepare required documents. Before visiting the Isteqdam office, you make sure to prepare the following documents: Isteqdam application form, no objection certificate from your company, attested educational degrees, copy of sponsor's Iqama, copy of your passport, passport copies of family members, child birth certificate, resident proof sometime requested, salary certificate stamped by company and Chamber of Commerce. Make sure all the documents are complete before your appointment. Let's talk about step number 3, that is pay Labour Importation fee through Absher. Before visiting the Isteqdam office, you must pay the Labour Importation fee through the Absher platform. Follow these steps. Log into Absher, go to Services, select Labour Importation. Pay 2,000 Saudi Riyals using your bank card. Important points here: the 2,000 Saudi Riyal fee is paid once for the application. This payment usually covers all the family applicants included in the request. Make sure the payment is completed before visiting the Isteqdam office. Also remember, your minimum salary should be around 3,500 Saudi Riyal or above to be eligible for family visa, although approval may depend on your profession and employer. Step number 4. Fill the Isteqdam application form correctly. The Isteqdam form can be downloaded online or obtained from the visa agents. While filling the form, keep these points in mind. The date at the top should be the date when you fill the form, not the appointment date. All details should be written in Arabic. Family members' names should be written in English exactly as in their passports. Documents should be typed or electronic except your signature. The form must be signed and stamped by your company HR and also attested by the Chamber of Commerce. Step number 5 is to prepare the no objection certificate. Your company must issue a no objection certificate on company letterhead. The NOC must include your salary, your job profession. It must be signed by the company, stamped by the company, attested by the Chamber of Commerce. Step number 6, attestation of other documents. Some documents must be officially attested before submission. These includes educational degrees, birth certificate of child, marriage certificate. These documents should be attested by MOFA home country and MOFA Ministry of Foreign Affairs Saudi. Other relevant authorities if required. Step number 7, visit the Isteqdam office. After preparing all the documents, visit the Isteqdam office on your appointment date. Submit your documents there. If everything is correct, you will receive a yellow slip on the same day. Carefully check the names of all the family members on the yellow slip to make sure there are no spelling mistakes. Then send this yellow slip to your home country for next processing step. Step number 8, medical examination. After receiving the yellow slip, you must wait about 14 days. After that, your family members must book a medical examination appointment through WAFID. Now, what is WAFID and how to book your appointment in WAFID? I have already uploaded a complete guide video on WAFID, how to book your medical in WAFID. Step number 9 is submit documents. Your family members must submit their documents to the Saudi embassy or the authorized Saudi visa service center in their country after passing their medical. Submit the following documents: sponsor's Iqama, applicant's passport, childbirth certificate, vaccination form, marriage certificate or family registration certificate. After submission, the process usually takes 7 to 10 days. Once the process is complete, the office will return your documents and inform you that the family visa has been issued. If you still have any questions about the family visa or Isteqdam process, you can ask in the comment section and I will try to guide you. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming videos about Saudi visa updates and Gulf exam preparation.